Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Printful allows you to automatically fulfill orders with print on demand products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters and more. Once connected, Printful will receive Etsy orders automatically, print the products and ship it to your customer. This integration is widely used by Etsy sellers who wants to run a store without holding inventory. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Printful in 2026 safely and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, you can create a Printful account. So before connecting, you need a Printful account. So go to printful.com, click sign up, create an account using email address, Google account, Apple account. Log into your Printful dashboard after that. Okay, after logging in, go to the Printful dashboard, click stores, okay, and select choose platform, and you will see a list of supported platforms. Okay, choose Etsy, okay, that we have here. This is the official site of Etsy. Connect your Etsy account. So to connect Etsy, click connect Etsy. Okay, you will be redirected to Etsy login page. Sign in to your Etsy seller account, click allow access, and this authorizes Printful to manage products, syncing and orders. Okay, Etsy must approve the integration. Okay, then confirm the integration. So once authorization is complete, your Etsy shop will appear inside Printful and then stores. Okay, your Etsy shop will appear and you should now see shop name, connected store status and product syncing options. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.